Hey everybody, got a package in the mail. Looks like from ThruNite. Yep, there's a ThruNite flashlight. Zoom in a little bit here. Let's see what we got. Let me see, this is the Catapult V6. There's your typical accessories kit full of everything you could ever need. I love that with ThruNite. Oh, this is exciting. There's a USB charging cable. It means I might have another one of my favorite flashlights ever here. I love USB rechargeable flashlights. Comes in a sheath. Looks pretty heavy duty. Again, typical ThruNite quality. They're all built pretty much the same. It's got the belt loop and a clip-on for your backpack, which is great. This must be a powerful light. It's got a bigger head. Nice grip in the hand. A big, wow, look at that. I can't wait to see that outside. Look at that. Wow. So, I'm going to have to probably open it up. I'll be right back. There's probably a safety tab in there to stop the battery from shorting out. Well, it's open. Look at that. Massive, massive. What is that? A 26650 battery. 5,000 milliamp hours at 3.7 volts. That's a big battery. Let's pop that in there. Okay, there's a nice grip on there, so it's not going to slip in your hands. It really grips in your hands. And there's, must be low. Okay, you hold the button. Low, medium, high. Double click is turbo. Wow, it's blinding. The camera dims it down. And emergency mode. Has memory, so the last place you had it in. Alright, let's check this specs real quick. Wow, this little light, this tiny little flashlight, has 1,700 lumens light intensity, the ThruNite Catapult V6, and a range up to 750 meters. That's like roughly 750 yards. That is crazy bright for that little light. Boy, they're getting better and better all the time. Runs for 150 minutes in turbo. Really, really impressive. Their Firefly mode runs for 41 days on that flashlight. I love that. When you can run these things like that, you can run it on low for 62 hours. That's days and days and days. Won't go into too much detail because I don't want to spoil it all, but I've already got plans for this light. Because it's USB chargeable. That is so exciting. This is going to be one of my second all-time favorite flashlight, I think, because of that fact. That makes this thing convenient to carry anywhere and everywhere you go, because you're always going to have a USB charging port. You don't have to carry any extra gear, no extra chargers, no extra equipment, no extra power supplies. There's always a cell phone charger plug-in available somewhere in your car, at home, and we use those folding solar panels on the go. So that is exciting. Alright guys, I'll put the links down below for anybody who wants to grab it now, right away. But stay tuned for the full review. I already have some exciting plans for this one. Just right out of the box, my first impressions. I am excited about this light. Can't wait to try this thing out in the dark. And underwater. I love my underwater videos with this stuff. So I'll talk to you later guys. Stay tuned for more. Please do like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.